Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, which is video number 1 on fraction of an amount, and gradually we will keep taking advanced questions. We are starting with a very basic concept, which is fraction of an amount. Now, all of us know what fraction is, right? Like 1 over 3, 3 over 4. These are all fraction, part of something. So suppose you have a pizza and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. Imagine they are equal and you eat 2 pieces. So you will say 2/6 of the pizza is eaten, right? 2/6, or you can say 2 out of 6 pieces are eaten. Now we will see when question is given, how do we solve it? Sometimes it is very simple. Sometimes we have to calculate. We cannot do it mentally. For example, let's see number 1 case. 3/4 of 36. Now 36 could be anything. Let me say these are toffees, 36 toffees. So suppose you have eaten or you have given to somebody 3/4 of is replaced by multiplication. So 3/4 of 36. So what is the meaning? How many toffees you have eaten? 4 ones are 4. Now remember 4 is in the denominator, 36 is in the numerator. So you can cancel it out. 4 nines are 36. Your tables need to be very strong, right? You should know tables by heart for fraction of an amount and for other mathematics of year 7 and 8 level. Now what is left? 9 is in the numerator, 3 is in the numerator. So 9 threes are 27. When denominator is 1, usually we do not write. So it means 3/4 of 36 is actually 27. If I change it into word problem, I can say I have 36 toffees and I have given 3/4 of my toffees to somebody. How many toffees I have given? So after calculating, I will say 27 toffees I have given to somebody. Okay, so you can understand how the word problem is made from here. Let's see 1/3 of 24. So again, I have 24, for example, pencils, and I want to take 1/3 with me somewhere. So how many pencils I'm taking with me? 1/3 of 24. Again, you will do cancellation. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 8 is 24. So 8 times 1 is 8. So 1/3 of 24 is 8. If unit is written here, for example, if I write here toffees, so you will write the same unit with the answer. That is very important. Let's see here. Now unit is here. 4. Acha, by the way, unit was not there in the previous case, so you don't need to write. I was just giving you the example here, right? So when unit is not given, you don't need to write unit along. Okay, now this question, 4/7 of 2 weeks. So I can say कि I study for maths 4/7 of 2 weeks. Now what does it mean? How many days did I study? So what will I do? 2 weeks. I will change 2 weeks into days. Why? Question is saying give your answer in terms of days. So you have to carefully read and write the unit. So I can say 4/7 of will change into multiplication. 2 weeks have how many days? 1 week has 7 days. I hope you know that, right? So 2 weeks have 14 days. So I will say 4/7 of 14 days. So how will I solve it? I will cancel it. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. And 4 times 2 is what? 8 days. So I have studied 8 days out of 14 days. 2 weeks mean 14 days. So I hope you understood how to handle word problems. Let's solve this problem also in this video. Then in the next video, we will see 2 more word problems. Always do small portion of it. Break down the problem into small parts and you will be able to handle it. James earned 800 pounds a month. Okay. He spent 1/4 on rent. So first of all, let's find out how much he spent on rent. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. So spent. Okay. I'm talking about where? On rent. So 1/4 of what? Of his earning, which is 800. So I can easily solve it. It will be 1/4 times 800 and I can cancel it. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 0 is 0 and 0. So it is £200 he spent on rent. Now let's see 2/5 on food and bill. So on food and bill, and always write heading so that you also know what you have done. So it is 2/5 of 800, right? Because of his earning they are talking about. So you can do 2/5 times 800. Now again 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5, 6, 7, 8, 3 left. 30, 5 6 are 30, 5 zeros are 0. So 160 times 2 is what? If you cannot do it mentally, you can write it like this and calculate it. 320. So 320 pound he spent on food and bill. Question is, how much money has he left? So first of all, we have to find out how much altogether he has spent. So you can write here, total he spent is equals to 200 plus 360. You can write vertically or you can write horizontally also, that is fine. So 560 he spent altogether. So money left with him, right? Money left with him is what? 800 minus 560. Oh, it is 0, 0. Sorry, my mistake. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 10 minus 6 is 4. 7 minus 5 is 2. So 200 pound left with him. This is how you will solve the word problems. So in the next question video, we will solve 2 more word problems on fraction of the amount, and then we will go towards addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all these things, all 4 operations. Okay. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.